Hey, are you getting calls on your iPhone but they're not showing up on your Apple Watch? This usually happens due to connection issues, notification settings, or do not disturb being turned on. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix the issue where calls come to your iPhone but not on your Apple Watch. Let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure to connect your Apple Watch with your iPhone through Bluetooth. Make sure to turn off Do Not Disturb mode on your Apple Watch. And also, make sure to turn off airplane mode. If still you're facing the same issue, then follow these solutions. Solution 1. Change Apple Watch notification settings. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Tap Notifications. Scroll down. Make sure to enable Notifications indicator. And then scroll down again. And again, make sure to enable Show Summary when locked as well. Solution 2. Turn on notification on iPhone. Grab your iPhone, open the Watch app, tap Notifications. Scroll down, tap on the Phone app. Here, make sure to select Mirror My iPhone. Solution 3. Update your software. Open the Watch home screen again, tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. So folks, this is the way to fix the issue where calls come to your iPhone but not on your Apple Watch. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See ya.